Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss about the GATE 2018 question of calculus. Now let's start the question. First question is from 2018. Taylor series expansion of fx is equal to 0 to x e to the power minus t square by 2 dt around x is equal to 0 has the form has the form fx is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus dot 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 the coefficient a2 correct of two decimal place is equal to this one asked in GATE 2018 for 1 marks. So now let's start the solution. Fx is given 0 to x e to the minus t square by 2 dt. So f dash x will be e to the minus x square by 2 and f dash 0 will be 1, f dash x will be e to the minus x square by 2 and minus 2x by 2. This one cancel out, and when you will put the f double dash 0, then it will be 0 because of x. Okay, so what will happen? We have to find out this one is 0, so we have to find out the a2 coefficient. So here is given the fx. What is fx? Fx is nothing but we are given the expansion of this one, expansion of 0 to x e to the minus t square by 2 dt. Its expansion is given a0 plus a1x plus a2 x square. So for a0 what is a0 in Taylor expansion? F0 plus a1, what will happen? F dash 0 by factorial 1 x and a2, what will a2? हाँ सर, हाँ, हम एग्जाम सेल में हैं, हम क्लास ले रहे हैं, तो आइए ना। ठीक है, ठीक। And a2, what will be the a2? A2 is nothing but f dash 0 double dash 0 factorial 2 and x square. So compare it. Here is the x square component is this one, f double dash 0. This one is the 0. So what will happen? This one will be 0. So a2 should be 0. So a2 should be 0. So right answer will be a2 should be 0. Now come to next question. Question number 2. Let fxy is equal to ax square plus by square upon xy, where a and b are constant. If del f del x is equal to del f del y 8x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2, then the relation between a and b, then relation between a and b is, option A is given a is equal to b by 4, b is given a is equal to b by 2, c is given a is equal to 2b, and d is given a is equal to 4b. Okay, so now let's start the solution. Sorry. Now fx is fx y is given ax square plus by square upon x y. Okay, so first we have to find out del f upon del x. So del f upon del x is equal to u by v form. Here is nothing but u by v form. So v is 2ax plus 0 and plus minus, sorry, minus ax square plus by square and this one xy. So here is the only y upon, sorry, v term is, v is nothing but 1 minute, v is v is v is nothing but xy all square. Okay, so simplify it. Then after simplification, yeah, I have 2ax square y minus ax square y minus by q upon x square y square. So ax square y minus by cube upon x square y square. So put it value, how much is given? Del f del x 1 and 2. X value is 1 is given here in question. See, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. So put it value a minus 1 square into 2 minus b into 2 to power cube 8 upon 1 square into 4. So what will happen? 2a minus 8b, 2a minus 8b upon 4. So we can say that a by 2 minus 2b. This one. Now find out del f upon del y. Del f upon it will happen xy, and what will happen? Uh, ax square plus 2by minus ax square plus by square, and here x upon xy square. So what will happen after simplification? Put it the x is equal to 1 and 2 directly. There is no need to simplify all this thing. 4, here is it a 2, and here will be a plus 4b minus a plus 4b. Okay, and x will be 1, so 1. So 2a plus 8b minus a minus 4b upon 4. So a plus, I did some mistake. Here, here I did a mistake. Here only will be no. X term will be the zero, na. So here you will get the zero. Here zero t y y. This one is zero. So the zero it be minus a and 4b so plus 4b upon 4. So minus a by 4 plus b. Here is given both are same. Okay. So show minus a by 4 plus b uh, a by 2 minus minus 2b. So right answer will be a equal to 4b and a equal to 4b. So option D will be the right answer. Now comes to next question. Question number third. Let r is equal to x square plus y minus z and zq upon x y plus yz plus yk is equal to 1. Assume that x and y are independent variable. Independent variables at x, y, z is equal to 2 minus 1, 1. The value of del r upon del x is this one is GATE 2018 for 2 marks. Okay, so r is given and something this is given x y are independent variable at x y z, then value of del r upon del x. We have to find out the value del r upon del x. Okay, so let's see the solution. R is given x square plus y minus z. Okay, and other zq minus xy plus yz plus yq is equal to 1 is given. So del r upon del x is 2x minus del z upon del x. So xy is given independent variable. Xy are independent variable, but z is not independent variable. So z depend upon x. So del z upon del x. So 3z square del z upon del x minus y plus y del z upon del x is equal to 0. So del z upon del x is equal to y, this one on this side, y 3z square plus y. Okay, so so del r upon del x is equal to 2x minus y upon 3z square plus y and 2 minus 1 1 1. So point is given x y z is equal to 2 minus 1 and 1. Put it del r upon del x 4 minus minus 1 upon 3 into 1 plus x y is equal to minus 1. So 4 plus 1 over 2. So 9 by 2 equal to 4.5 answer. And comes to next question. Fourth number. A curve. Sorry. A curve passing through the point x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0, and satisfies the differential equation dy upon dx is equal to x square plus y square upon 2y plus y by x. The equation describes the curve. The equation that describe, describes the curve is option A ln 1 plus y square upon x square is equal to x minus 1. B half ln 1 plus y square upon x square is equal to x minus 1. C ln 1 plus y by x minus 1. D half ln 1 plus y by x or x minus 1. Let's see the solution. 67. Here curve is given. dy dx is given. dy dx is given x square 2y plus y by 2 plus y by x. Put y by x is equal to t. Then what will happen? dy dx is equal to t for this one t plus or y is equal to tx plus dy by dt is equal to dy by d dt upon dx. Yeah, dy by dx is equal to here t plus x dt and dx. Okay, and variable separable from variable separable. So from here t plus dt upon dx is equal to x by 2t plus y is equal to tx. So tx by 2 plus t. From here, we will get x dt upon dx. Here is x is equal to x. Let it quit common 1 upon 2t plus t upon 2. So x dt upon dx x 1 plus t square upon 2t 2t 1 plus t square dt put under dx plus c. So ln 1 plus t square x plus c. So put it t is equal to y by x. So ln 1 plus y square by x square x plus c. So let x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0 for initial condition. So ln 1 plus 0 by 1 is equal to ln 1 is equal to c. So c is equal to minus 1 and final answer ln 1 plus y square by x square or x minus 1. Okay, so let's see the which option will be the right answer. So option A will be the right answer. Now comes to next question. The value of integral 0 to pi y to pi sine x upon x dx dy is equal to solution. See, x is equal to y, so x is equal to pi and y is equal to 0 and y is equal to pi. So integration 0 to pi and y to pi sin x upon x dx dy. So first in terms of y 0 to pi sin x upon x into y and limit will be 0 to x. So here and dx. So 0 to pi sin x upon x into x dx. X cancel out. So 0 to pi sin x dx minus cos x and 0 to pi. So answer will be cos minus cos pi and plus cos 0. So 2. Right answer will be 2. And next question number 6. Consider a differentiable function fx on the set of real numbers such that f minus 1 is equal to 0 and more less than 2 given the condition given these conditions which one of the following inequalities inequalities is necessarily true true which of the following is necessarily true for all x minus 2 to 2. Option A, fx less than 2 mod x plus 1. B, fx less than half mod x. C, fx less than 2 mod x. D, fx. So, given that, now comes to solution. Given that f dash x is equal to less than 2, f minus 1 is equal to 0, minus 2 to f dash x is 2. So x for all minus 2 to 2, that means 2x2. Okay, so by applying mean value theorem, by applying mean value theorem, range of minus 1 to 2, so minus 2 to f dash x to minus 2 f2 minus minus 1 and 2 minus minus 1 2 minus 2 minus 6 minus 6 is satisfy 1a. It is satisfy option A. Okay, so in such way I have completed the calculus part, uh, and let's see next from next video onwards I will discuss about the differential question, and try to solve it question first, try to solve it question, then observe the solution. Okay, and directly not see the solution. If you are watching the directly solution, then you will not get some anything. So first try to solve it himself, and then if you are getting difficulty, then observe the solution. If you have any question, any doubt, then you can ask it. Okay, no problem. And sometimes if you have a separate question, so uh, you can give in my WhatsApp number and in comment box, and I will reply it. Okay, thank you for watching.